So, Gelato print on demand, pros and cons. So, that's what I'm going to talk about in this video. So, Gelato, what it is or what it has a large production network with over 130 production partners in a 32 countries, yes. And this allows guys for really fast delivery times and lower shipping costs because items can be printed locally. And Gelato offers also a wide range of products including wool, art, mugs, t-shirts and more. It integrates with many popular e-commerce platforms such as Shopify. It offers unique features such as personalized products and branded packaging. And you can find really quality for t-shirts, mugs, Canva prints and posters. I'm going to share with you also some, in my opinion, some cons of Gelato. And what Gelato is. Gelato print on demand really offers a way to sell custom printed products through your Shopify store without managing inventory. Here's a breakdown I have for you. First, I'm gonna tackle pros. So the pros: no need for upfront investment in inventory or equipment. You only pay for what gets sold. I think that sounds fascinating and really essential for what we're doing here. For what we want print on demand. So that's something to check, you know. Also, Gelato offers a wide variety of products to customize, like t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and much more. You can add products without any problems worrying about you don't have to worry about storage or production limitations. There are no limitation. There's an option, or we can scale. So there's a scalability. We have scalability, if that's a word. Scalability. Yes. Now also convenience. I believe that Gelato really handles printing, fulfillment, and shipping, freeing you to really, so you don't have to focus anymore on the marketing and design. So this is really freeing you from those things. Now the network of printing partners allows you to reach customers worldwide. It also offers personalized products with customer designs or text. It prioritizes practices in like the printing process. And what I mean by that, now Gelato prioritizes sustainable practices in printing processes by having production of, so you have facilities located in 32 countries. This means that customers are more likely to receive their orders from a printer close by. So that's reducing, shipping and other things. So now I'm gonna talk about the cons. Now you have less control over your product quality and the fulfillment compared to the traditional printing methods. And what I mean by that, what I'm saying here, what I'm trying to say is that you have less control over product quality and fulfillment compared to the traditional printing methods, because Gelato uses can't speak English, seriously, uses over 130 local print providers all over the world, and this can lead to inconsistency in quality. The company says that they try to address this issue by having a deep software integration with print providers, and they claim that this software integration allows them to monitor everything remotely from their offices and know exactly what's happening at each print provider. However, there is still a chance that you may get a product that is not up to your standards. So that's a disadvantage here. That's a cons, that's a disadvantage. That's something I don't really, like. Now, your pricing can be higher per unit than bulk printing, potentially really impacting your profit margins. Shipping costs can vary on location and also product type, and this can impact your also pricing strategy. While offering customization options, Gelato might not have the same level of design control as some pod providers. Now, another problem here, I guess, problem that I thought to myself, trying to learn from my mistakes, is that when you start a business, it's good that you have control over your business. You have some things fails because someone handles your business, then you're going down, because you depend on their service. So that's another cons, in my opinion, that your business relies on Gelato's platforms and service quality. So yeah, I think I like actually to touch this point even more because I think it's very important. So this means if you use Gelato for your print-on-demand business, I'm gonna repeat myself, but I think that's important, then the success of your business will depend on how well Gelato performs. And here are some, like, ways your business, or how your business will depend on or relies on Gelato. Now, since Gelato uses a network of printing partners, the quality of your products may vary depending on the printer that is used to fulfill the order. If Gelato's platform has technical problems, then this could prevent you from processing orders or fulfill them. If a customer has a problem with their order, they will likely contact you first. However, you'll need to rely on Gelato's customer service to resolve the issue. And that's what I can think of right now. I think that's all, but in essence, that's, yeah, a problem for me. My personal opinion, because when you build a business, it's important that you have control over your business. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you found this helpful, and take care, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video.